Good evening, Tallahassee. I'm student meteorologist Reuben Weiner. Today was a perfect day in every sense of the word. We had temperatures near 80 degrees. We had winds that were just enough to make it feel fantastic and not too muggy outside. Right now we're sitting at about 76 degrees with a dew point of 64, and the winds are coming south-southeast at about 9 miles per hour. And we have the same story around the entirety of the Big Bend area. We're looking at 76 in Tallahassee, 73 up in Quincy, and 79 up in Bainbridge, which was our warm spot today. It hit 84 degrees there. So we're sitting at about between 68 and down in Carabel and about 79, which both in Bainbridge and Valdosta. Looking at our current winds, it's been very blustery, but it's been a very comfortable kind of blustery. And like we've seen the last week where it was windy and cold, which brought those wind chills down, making it uncomfortable for us and making us want to run to class and not be outside. Today, it's just been the same wind, 9 miles per hour in the metro area, about 6 down in St. Mark's, about 3 down in Carabel, about 15, which is our windy spot up in Marietta. And it's been very comfortable, as I've mentioned. And we were fighting with a few clouds earlier, but they have dissipated throughout the day, leaving us with clear skies and a very, very pleasant evening for not just us, for the entirety of the southeast. We're not quite yet dealing, but we will be dealing with this cold front that is setting up all through the top of the southeast going into about, say, Tennessee, which will be dipping down toward Tallahassee come Thursday. So enjoy tonight and enjoy tomorrow while it lasts. And the Futurecast really puts this into perspective. We've been waking up to foggy conditions, which is a result of heavy dew points and just very high temperatures. As we put the Futurecast into motion, and as we go toward Wednesday, we have a very nice day in store, very warm temperatures. However, we go into Thursday morning, and throughout the day on Thursday, that's when the cold front storms on by. We have a few storms that go with the cold front. It'll be rainy, it'll be cooler, we'll be struggling to reach 50 on Thursday, and it's just going to be a very uncomfortable day like we've seen. So beach and boating forecast, it's been very, very great weather for yesterday, today, and tomorrow, so I highly recommend getting to the beach, beating those midterm blues, and just tanning. Just tan. Don't go in the water yet because it's not warm enough, because we still have a few more weeks before the Gulf of Mexico finally catches up with our weather we're feeling here on planet Earth, or on the surface, not in the water. The waves it'll be a little choppy because those winds will be 10 to 15 knots. A little bit It's good surfing weather, I would say, if you just put on that wetsuit and you can deal with the cold water. And yeah, tonight's forecast, it'll be 58 degrees with foggy conditions and muggy skies. The winds will be south at about 5 miles per hour, dissipating throughout the night. Looking at tomorrow's forecast, we'll see 80 degrees. We'll be hitting 80 degrees, maybe a few degrees warmer than that. It'll be very warm. It'll be a little humid, but it will be just as windy, just like today. So it will be highly comfortable out there for everyone. So looking at the week ahead, we'll see 80 degrees tomorrow, very comfortable. As that cold front swoops through, it'll be 71 on Thursday, 54 on Friday, so it'll cool down quite a bit. But that time, most of us will be out of here for spring break. But for those unfortunate souls that have to stay in Tallahassee this weekend, it'll be 54 and 59 degrees Friday and Saturday. And however, it'll turn up quite a bit coming the weekdays. So it'll be 64 degrees on Sunday, 70 degrees on Monday, and 71 on Tuesday. So it'll be beautiful, cool, and just perfect weather for the beginning of next week. Have a great night, Tallahassee.